Hi there, many thanks for checking out this product review. But first, I have something really special to share with you. You'll never have seen anything like this before. Myself and the team will build your entire internet business for you, and also work by your side until you achieve $10,000 plus per month. We will also ensure your success by setting it all up. Yes, having everything done for you. A complete done-for-you home business called 100K Alliance. It also comes with some great free bonuses. You'll see a link in the description below. Take a look, it's free. Now to the review I promised you.
Hey fellows, how you doing today? In this video, I will show you something you probably have never seen before. What you'll see right now is me creating a real, brand new, profit-making website from start to finish, including some awesome domain search, getting hosting, installing a done-for-you, professional, and high-converting WordPress theme, smart category research and creation, creating the legal pages, and even adding high-quality, profit-making SEO-optimized content with images and video in front of your eyes with the power of advanced AI. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start by getting some awesome domain name options with the survival gear niche. Awesome. Let's see which of these domains are available for purchase. As you can see, all the available domains look just awesome. I love this one. Now let me show you where to get some WordPress hosting. This option here offers a free domain. Let's add it to the chart. Hostinger offers one of the best user experiences on buying domain and WordPress hosting, which you can do by yourself. Now let me continue the process by using my survival gear demo WordPress website I installed specifically for this demo video. Okay, awesome. I just got my awesome looking domain name and WordPress hosting, and now I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. You can enjoy the Olympus power with your existing WordPress by using Olympus plugin, or you could also enjoy it by using the Olympus Done For You website. Let me show you how to do it with Olympus Done For You website. So let's download it. To install a website, I need to install a WordPress plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. And activate it. Let's now import our website. And let's install it. Great. And there you have it, a clean and nice looking website. Now let's connect to the Olympus platform. Well, that was quick. And let's add some categories to it. We're going to do it with the power of advanced AI as well. And we can even add the categories to WordPress from here. And there you have them. Let's add them to the menu. And there they are. Let's now create legal pages, which is one of the most difficult tasks of creating a website. You simply need to fill out this form with your personal and website info. And there you have your legal pages ready to be published 100% created with the power of AI. Let's publish them in just a click. A website without content's nothing, right? Well, let's also do it with the power of advanced AI. Let's start by using these prompts right here to communicate with our super smart AI writer to create some extraordinary content. Let's use the first one. Let's replace the topic word for a category of our website. Awesome. Let's now use the second one for the title of our choice to get some keyword ideas for SEO purposes. Well, fellows, this is too hard to believe, right? But this is what we call advanced AI. Let's finally write our detailed, informative article for the title of our choice, 100% SEO optimized. Fellows, this is mind-blowing, right? Hard to believe, but you've just seen it in front of your eyes. Well, let's now post it. First, let's cut the title of the post from here, and let's add it right here. Then let's select our website, the category, and finally, let's post it. And there you have it. But not can you only post content posts with AI Poster. You can post absolutely any type of content. For example, product reviews, which are an outstanding way to make money from your blog. We also provide you with the exact steps to do that during the training. You can also add images, and even videos to the body of the article. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that'll show you step-by-step how to make money with Olympus the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.